Unfortunately, we know there's a big electrical line running through here, so I don't want to go near that. And I can't get to a stud easily, so we're just going to use these wall anchors, which I genuinely hate, but for one of these out of the 6, it's probably not going to be that big of a deal. So what I want to do is, there's nothing there, so I'm going to drill my hole, but I need to drill a little bit bigger hole. First I want to get my guide in here. A 4 to 6 millimeter hole. 4 to 6 millimeters. I'm going to look that up.
Okay.
Okay, so I got a 3/16 inch drill bit. Oh, it's already pretty. So it just needs to be a little bit bigger hole than what I was using, and then you just screw these in. And we'll just go nice and slow. And again, if this doesn't work, it's because I hate doing these so much. And you don't want to overdo it because it'll just carve out a huge hole if you go crazy. So nice and slow. Okay, just leave it like that. One thing about this that's not cool is, but these are going to be raised out a bit from the wall. So I'll have to do all 4 of these with this kind of anchor, or else the bracket will be all lopsided. Okay, now we'll go ahead and put this up and then do the same thing on this side. There we go. So 2 more. These are just super inexact. That's why there's all kinds of reasons not to like these wall anchors. But it is all we have to work with. I'm not putting these screws in real tight because, again, they'll just strip it. So there we go. And now our shelf's not done. We'll do that in part B. But basically all these guys are on and they're where they need to be. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of this, give us a like. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.